Hi,
True.
I'm Professor Doughton, and this is Computer Application, CAP 101 at Middlesex Community College. Today, we're going to have a series of individual presentations of their research projects on technology that they've been working on throughout this semester. I trust that you will enjoy these student presenters.
So my name is Stacy Frechette, and today I'm going to do a brief presentation on a technological insight into headphones. So there are a few major companies that a lot of people know of when they listen to music on their headphones. So we have Sony, Yamaha, Skullcandy, Boss, Apple, Beats, and JVC. A lot of these range in prices, and they range in styles, and some people just have their preferences, some people don't even care. So they're just a few major companies. And then, so one part of the headphone is the connectivity. So one headphone style is wired, which is the most common. So it's quality over convenience. The quality is very high, but at the same time you have a wire that needs to be connected to a phone or an iPod, or when people have like Walkman. So there are a variety of connectors. The most common is a USB or a TRS. The TRS comes in two major sizes, and it's the most common used. So there's a 6.5 millimeters and a 3.5. And the 6.5 is used for home or professional audio, so that would be like the higher. And then there's 3.5, which is just the personal electronics, which you would have for your headphones connecting to like your iPhone if you have one. And then there's a wireless. It's very convenient because you just stick it in your ear, or sometimes there's just speakers, but their quality is not as high. There's the limited connector availability, and most of them is Bluetooth. People see people walking around with Bluetooth in their ears. And then there's also Bluetooth just speakers where you would hook up your phone to it on Bluetooth, and you'd have like a speaker in your room, and you can listen to phone calls and you can talk through that. But it only works if the source is in close proximity, and there's a very low power consumption, which limits output. So this technology is not found in high-end headphones that people want to listen to music with. So there are transductors. Transductor, at their most basic, transform one kind of energy to another. In headphones, the transductor takes the electrical energy from the audio source and transforms into the sound that you hear. Headphones use different kinds of transductors. There are four, and there's the electric, static, orthodynamic, dynamic, and electromagnetic. So we have the electrostatic. It has two electrodes which carry opposing charges. The audio frequencies push and pull the diaphragm to create sounds with high precision and low distortion. This technology is not common due to the high cost, high operating voltage, and mechanical sensitivity. And we have the orthodynamic transductor. It consists of two magnets and a coil. It creates precision with low sound distortion. The use of this technology is rare because of the small amount of sound pressure that is able to be outputted. And then we have the dynamic transductor. Similar to that of loudspeakers, with a ring coil that moves in the air gap of the permanent ring magnet. The sound production of this transductor is high, so it has like a high quality, and there's a low operating voltage and a small mechanical design, making this transductor the most common out of all four of them that is used in headphones. And then there's the electromagnetic. Similar to the technology of the dynamic transductor. So it takes motion in a magnetic field and transverts it into electrical energy. This design is not responsive as others and creates more distortion. And then with headphones nowadays, there's also noise canceling technology. So it reduces unwanted surrounding sounds by means of active noise control. This involves using one or more microphones placed near the ear, the electric integrated circuit, which uses the microphone signal to generate an anti-noise signal. When the anti-noise signal is produced by the speaker driver in the headphone, destruction interference cancels out the surrounding noise as heard within the enclosed volume of the headphone. And then there's ear coupling, which is just the design of the headphone. So there are 3 designs for headphones. We have the circumoral headphones, enclose the ear with large pads that surround external noise. And then there's the supraoral headphones, are lightweight and sit on top of the ears with small pads. And those are the older headphones, and I have a picture, that people used to get when they had like Walkmans with their CDs. They used to walk around with those headphones. And then there's the intraoral headphones, and it comes in 2 designs. So there's the earbud that just sits outside of the ear canal and on top of the earlobe, as well as the inner ear design that is inserted directly into the ear canal and offers some external noise suppression. So I have, this is the circumoral headphone, so it has the big pads that sit on the ear. And then the supraoral headphone, that they don't surround the ear, but just sit on the ear. And then the most common that people know are like the earbuds that people have, and Apple produces those ones. That's their like most common. And then you have the inner ear headphones that go into your ear canal. And that is my presentation, and I hope you enjoy it.